Hey there guys, Starkey here, and today it's going to be a bit different. It's going to be a Filipino channel, Pipoy Handok. It's 15 scariest CCTV footages ever recorded. It is in Filipino, so we're going to check it out. Let's go.
Sa CCTV na ito makikita natin ang isang babaeng naglilinis.
No.
Kapansin-pansin na may isang kamay na kulay itim sa loob ng CR.
Is this like this? Okay, is this fake? Oh. You can't even see the fingers. It's like wearing stockings, I think. And if you're wondering, like, he's trying to sound like another, like, I guess, news reporter, but a bit creepier. Like, there's a I think it's Gus Abelgas that he's trying to imitate, but making it a bit creepier the way he talks. Because there is a certain cadence of that news reporter that is odd and unique. Anyway.
Nang walang ano-ano'y, bigla na lamang siyang hinablot nito. Pero nang
oh my god, it's crazy. It is crazy. You know what's crazier? How nonchalant mom was like saying the line, "Okay, mom, when I grab you, turn around, be scared, and say, oh, it's crazy." Man.
Niya ang ilaw sa CR para
and homeboy over there is playing Fortnite. It doesn't care.
Para silipin kung sino ang humila sa kanya. Nawala ito ng bahagya at maya-maya lamang muling lumabas ito at pilit siyang tinatawag nito.
Go away, I'm pooping.
Sobrang taranta niya, sinarado niya ang pinto. At
how are you not scared? If that's like literally a shadow person with it's not. It's probably one of her kids.
Tumawag na lamang ng tulong sa kinauukulan.
I don't like that. Sorry if my mic peaked, but
sa video na ito nakuha mula.
Are we gonna have that every single time? No. Okay, it's just that. See, it's the most replayed. And maybe even here. Yeah. Oh. I don't like this.
Sa sementeryo, mapapansin na may nakakapangilabot na nilalang na animoy nakaitim at naglalakad sa disoras.
So he's saying like, you know, this is a graveyard, something wearing black or something dark is walking in the cemetery at night.
Nang hating gabi.
Midnight.
Yo estoy ahí, ¿no? Yo estoy ahí viendo, lo estoy hablando por teléfono, lo estoy viendo. Y estoy queriendo hablarlo, pero no.
Ayon sa nakakita ng video, posibleng ito ay isang kulto o mangkukulam.
So he's saying that it might be a cult member or a witch.
Mukuha ng mga buto-buto sa mga yumao.
That he or it is getting there. It went there to get some bones. Some dead person. Dead person. I guess fragments or artifacts. Does he have a shopping cart? Is that a shopping cart? No, it's just...
Sa kwarto naman ng kalbong ito, huling-huli sa video ang...
He just said bald guy. In the room of this bald guy. I mean, Filipino humor is kind of crass and corny.
Pagpaparamdam ng mga ligaw na espiritu.
Oh.
I know we...
Dahil sa pangyayaring iyan,
That is very, very aggressive. That is very aggressive. I want to see that again. How was it pulled out?
I know we.
Dahil sa pangyayaring
It can be pulled, right? You can rig it with wire. And again, shitty webcam, right?
iyan, napatayo na lamang ang kalbong ito sa harapan ng kanyang computer. Dali-dali siyang tumakbo dahil sa kanyang nakita.
Said that the guy immediately ran from what he saw. So let's see if he did see something. Now we're hearing chimes or like musical box. Oh.
Hindi pa dyan natatapos
What
ang
it-
pagpaparamdam ng espiritu.
He did bolt. Holy shit. Oh man, is gonna be somebody there. No, it's not. Okay. That's I mean, he checked under the bed, he checked everywhere. Didn't see anything.
Sa video naman
Again, poltergeist activity is very easy to rig.
ito nakuha mula sa garahe ng sasakyan. Sa videong ito mapapansin ang paglipad ng animoy ligaw na kaluluwa. Pagmasdan nating maigi ang imaheng ito.
So this type of apparitions are like, for me, this is the closest to real as it gets, because a lot of the real ones has this like phantom-like aspect to them. Like it's like ethereal. It's very flowy, not overtly over-exaggerated flowy, but just like this, right? There's like some energy around them.
Sa maiksing video naman ito, huling-huli sa kamera ang isang nilalang na napakabilis maglakad.
Oh, and those two. Those are before when technology hasn't really ramped up. It's kind of hard to do those, but now it's very easy, right? I'm just looking at here because like this is where it's gonna, yeah. And it's always fast, right? It's always fast.
Nagkagulo ang dalawang magkasama na ito.
Wait, what is that? I saw.
Nagkagulo ang dalawang magkasama na
Oh, that's
ito
so
sa
fake.
isang bahay dahil
Yeah.
sa kanilang hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Makikita sa video na habang nasa duyan ang babae, meron ditong nakapaligid na animoy nakaputi. Tinawag nito ang kanyang kasama para ipakita.
It's a lady in
Mapapansin
white.
na nakatayo ito at bigla
It's
na
a
lamang
lady in
nawala.
white. This is fake as fuck, but damn, that is funny and scary at the same time. This is what I don't like. This is nightmare fuel over here. This is nightmare. You are lying in bed
Sa video na
at night on your phone. This can be happening to you right now.
habang
Anyway.
nasa duyan ang tinawag nito ang kanyang kasama para ipakita. Mapapansin na nakatayo ito at bigla na lamang nawala.
There is no way that you see that in real life and you don't run away. This is in Asia, right? I would assume this is in Asia. Yeah, Vietnam maybe? Sounds Vietnamese. I don't know. Sorry.
Ipinakita niya pa sa kanyang kasama kung nasaan siya noong una niya nakita ang babaeng nakaputi at mahaba ang buhok.
Này á, em nhắn tin với khách không? Là em thấy nha, cái mặt cái đưa vô mặt em này á, em hết hồn lên hết trơn á. Rồi xong em đi ra đây nè, em nhìn nè, còn đứng ở đây nữa nè.
I want to see. Okay, that's her height, right? So that's her height. I want to see.
Tinawag nito ang kanyang kasama para
Oh, it's another person. Yeah, it's another person. We're gonna skip this. This is stupid. That's obviously fake, right? like the fade in and fade out. It's very easy to do. You don't need to be like an expert video editor to do that.
Makikita ang lalaking dumaan.
Wait, what?
Ilang segundo lang ang lumipas, bumalik ito
Right.
hanggang sa
Please tell me we don't have.
may humila sa kanya na animoy kulay itim na usok. Sadyang nakakapangilabot ang
That thing has a. Yo, that is death. Like, yo, time's up. Damn.
ganitong pangyayari. Ano sa tingin mo ang nilalang na ito?
Was itchy.
Isang
Again, you can mask that and make it blurry, you know, especially with footage like this. Like most of these like ghost videos are very, very blurry.
ang nilalang na ito. Isang nakakapangilabot naman na nilalang ang nakunan ng CCTV na ito.
What is that? Oh, it's something's walking. Where are you pointing? Is it not that? That kind of was like walking here? Oh, is that mist? So it is this, right?
Kapansin-pansin sa
Yeah.
videong ito na animoy may nakaputi na naglalakad. Ito ay parabang nawawala sa sarili.
It's small. Because these are chairs and tables, right?
Ayon sa mga nagbabantay ng CCTV, walang tao sa lugar at posibleng ligaw na kaluluwa ang kanilang nakita.
Why is it small though?
Nakakapangilabot naman ang bahay na ito matapos
Yo, the ghost is helping out, cleaning the house. That is good job.
makunan ng CCTV ang mga paggalaw ng mga kagamitan dito. Tulad ng vacuum cleaner, gumalaw din ang
I don't know how vacuums work because I've never really used one properly, or at least like that. Can it do that? I don't know. How did they rig that? I'm not aware. If you could comment below, I would love that.
pintuan na ito.
Okay, that is.
Sa
Anyway.
parteng kusina naman, naggalawan at nagbukasan ang mga cabinet nito.
Okay, this is the thing that I'm like, this is easiest to fake. This has wires in it. There's no freaking way. Or maybe not. I don't know. Okay, those are easy to fix. Those are easy to string up.
Isang alien ang nakuhanan ng CCTV
Alien.
di umano sa gusaling ito. Makikita sa dulong bahagi ng building.
That's a kid. That's a kid. It's like a kid tripping a little bit. Yep. Homeboy tripped. Ah, man. Well, anyway, that was the 15 scariest footages caught on CCTV by Pipoy Tandok. Check the channel out. Video is on the description below if you want to watch it yourself. Be aware of the stupid jump scare. It's funny, right? It's not. I mean, I did jump, but you know, this is it's still interesting. Most of these are, you know what I mean. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.